Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thanks to Allah, into our God, Allah SWT, who has been given us some mercies and blessing. Secondly, salat and salam always be given as our to Prophet Muhammad SAW. Okay, on this occasion, I will be the host at PTT in this time. Okay, today I have one speaker that is Ahmad Mirza Ahsan. For Ahmad Mirza Ahsan, you can be start the WTT.
All right. Thank you very much for Faiz Kifari. Um, Firstly, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. Today, in this weekend tech talk, I would like to teach you all about illustration by using Figma. Why I choose this theme is because that uh, I'm a designer and my hobby is as a designer is making illustration. So I would like to tell you how to make an illustration, but not using like Adobe or any type of uh, graphic designer always use. But I would like to teach you all about how to make an illustration by using Figma. We all know that Figma is for only using UX person. But right now, I would like to give you guys, if you guys want to be a graphic designer in Figma, it's fine. Uh, so without further ado, I would like to share screen my presentation. Just hold a second. Everyone. Okay, here it is. So illustration using Figma. Firstly, uh, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Ahmed Mirza Ahsan. I'm from class X, from class 10 DKV. What are my skills as a designer? Well, my skills are as a visual design and UI UX design. Uh, what um, what do I know about illustration? Well, an illustration is a visualization that is made by an artist. The goal of each illustration is to explain information. It can be a drawing, a photograph, a collage, and others. It doesn't matter as long as it keeps its purpose to visually represent facts and details. There's a difference between an illustration and a piece of art. Well, an initial illustration is there to explain something visually. Art paintings are have art art paintings have not connected to some of them have not connected to any information at all. They are just a subject of interpretation. If you like to know how I got this meaning, you can go to this link that is graphicmama.com. I read it about what is illustration. If I can open it right here, it's over here. So here it explains what is illustration number one and what evolution of illustration types, and tech, technical and wait, it's the most beautiful. And what is the difference between graphic design and illustration? Well then, next one is difference between illustration and piece of art. As you can see over here, a piece of art is using with your hand a paintbrush, if you can see. Most people use art by paintbrush, while we as a illustrator, we just use some kind of application to make like a person, make a book or other kind of things. The, and types of uh, tool that people use to make illustration is different. Sometimes they use pencils. Sometimes some people they use like a pencil, but and this pencil is to use when you're in the digital app. But right now I would like to teach you all about how to use how to make an illustration, but by using pencil, because I'm not a good illustrator by using pencil, but uh, I'm good at pencil really. So here are the example of illustration from a picture into some kind of illustration. So over here I made some kind of jungle person, and we know that as a Muslim we can make full faces. So right here I paint to all from here, all everything here except for the background, and I delete their eyes so that it will make it more Islamic. Over here I made it illustration about a businessman who is on his phone. But right here, I made the skin more brighter, and uh, and I made his clothes more different color. So as you can see here that when you make an illustration, you could uh, you could change the color from before to what you guys have in your mind. Like it doesn't have to be in like in the picture it has an eye, but you want to try and make it more Islamic things. So you gotta try and make the illustration and hide their eyes. And here you can make it from like a very tan color skin into a brighter skin. I'm not being racist in here, okay? I'm just talking about this illustration in Figma. All right, without further ado, let's start designing our illustration now. So here I have my uh, example and what kind of illustration should will I make. So here there is a person that has a holy Quran, while below here is just a person that is uh, it's telling about the Education Day International. So I would like to combine these two illustration to become one type of poster like that. So in here, you guys gotta so in this Figma, there is type of tools in here, as you guys can see. But the only thing that we're going to use is two. This it's just two types of tool. That is frame and pen tool. Frame here is just for putting our stuff inside it, while the pencil is just for us to draw something. And pencil there is like pencil over here. You can draw to with a pencil, but for me it's more easier for me if I use pencil. Yeah. So in here, I would like to try and make the body of this kid that is holding an Holy Quran. So first, you gotta click. You gotta know the edge of it. Uh, you guys can use either click and then use control to make it uh, uh, the kind of a I forgot. Um, yeah, you can use control, or you can either use when click, just hold and then go up. So after that, you can put it here to make it more faster when making the design. Okay, it's like that. All right. Well, okay. Then let's make the other hands like this. And then you guys can put your pencil from here to make the other way to here. All right, just like that. And in here, you guys can color it. You can use fill as coloring the inside of the illustration, or you can use a typical tool that is paint bucket. In this paint bucket, you can color it every every uh, places in it, like this, from here to here. You just want it uh, to be to make the places like in here it's green, and this one is the color of the skin. But when you put in fill, you have you have to color it. You can't color the skin of the person. So what you do is you gotta go to paint bucket, or you can do the shortcut that is B button, and here you can paint it one by one, and then you can color it after that. See, it's just one pieces to draw like this. Yeah. Okay. Let's finish our paint tool first. So here, let's go from to here. Oh yeah, there is a trick that you can use, except for you can do it from here and then like this. No, you can just use like one by one, and then use a control in the middle over here, and then both of the line will be crank, I think. And after that, put it here and then here, just like that. All right. Now I'd like to make the shirt more finished like this. And if you guys like, if there's a mistake on your illustration, like you want to put it in here, but you go too much to the right and put it here. How to go back from before? You can use the shortcut that is Control Z, which is make it which is going to make your illustration make your line come back. So yeah, from here to here, and then over there, and do this. Let's make the book over here and there and here, and then let's make the white. All right, just like that. And let's make the pants on it. that. Finish. Now we just gotta back, uh, put the color all of it, put the color in it, so that it could make it more realistic. Let's put all the color here first. Okay, just like that. Then after that, uh, if it's like this, you want to try and color it. You can just click 2 times to come back and click one by one to color it. Because if you don't click 2 times and the cursor is still like this, you'll be doing just one color on it. And here you can put you can color one by one. I want to do the skin tone first, and it's cream, and let's make the shirt into lime or light green maybe. Okay, and then make it this dark green. That the Holy Quran will be purple. Uh, I'm sorry if I don't make the logo because it's kind of hard for me. I'll try only just a regular brick maybe. And here white. Okay, and then let's make the pants into dark green, just like this. Hmm. This illustration, this illustration looks good, but I think it's more better if we don't use stroke in it. So it will look like very uh, a good illustration maybe. Hmm. So in here, if you can see here, it doesn't make sense for the arm here. So let's try and cover it all from here. Like this, maybe. Hmm. Okay. And it's like that. Okay. Let's hide this and then add it again so we can color it again. Just like that, and then put it here. And let's color the top one different too. Just like that. See? Now the illustration is more good than before. Now let's try make the head of it. So you gotta make it round. I'm gonna be using this control. And then let's do the ears, the hair. Just like this. Alright, just like that. And let's make the hat, not a hat, a cap. Right. And then let's put this down and finish. Now let's make the other part from here to here. Whoa. And yeah, we have finished the head of the kit. Now let's paint bucket. Let's paint it and make it more cooler. So let's paint. Oh, I forgot. like that. Just that. Now let's click two times and paint it as, as the color as you like. This one, let's make it brown by coloring the same bit. Yeah. Now let's try and hide the stroke. What will it looks like? And ta-da! The illustration have finished. Um, I'm maybe the I could make it this one illustration for right now. If you want to see my other illustration, you can just go to my Instagram below right here, as you guys can see here. Um, you guys can see all my project over there, and I have my project in this Figma. Right now, I cannot have too much time, so to end it my I would like to end my illustration Figma teaching today, and I would like to give and thank you very much for your attention and hearing my uh weekend tech talk. And thank you very much. If I have mistake, I'm very sorry, and I would like to give it back to Pais right now.
Okay, thank you for Mirza for good material of VTT. Okay, maybe that's just all for me. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.